Hello! Today a new money-saving video. This time we will not only fix these HyperX Cloud headphones, but also improve them with a mod. As you can see, these two 3.5mm plug wires are too small, poor quality, and they won't survive for long. This is ridiculous. No other Cloud II and Stigger headphones have only one 3.5mm 4-pole plug. Idea is very simple. Cut off both 3.5mm jack connectors and replace them with one 3.5mm 4-pole plug. Like for all DIY tutorials, you'll need basic DIY tools. To repair this damaged headset and create a mod, you will also need to purchase a new 3.5mm 4-pole jack and gaming splitter adapter from 3.5mm 4-pole jack to two 3.5mm jacks. Such splitter cable costs no more than $2, and in case of cable damage, you can just replace it, and you can forget about headset problems or looking for a new headset. Start with cutting the wire before the point where it divides into two 3.5mm plugs. Then install the connector's housing on the wire. If wire is too thick, look for another bigger jack, or drill a bigger hole if it's possible. Now we will install the jack. Remove cable insulation so that we can get to the cable cores, but do it very carefully without damaging anything. After removing the insulation, you'll see 4 wires. 3 for sound and black with 2 more wires inside for microphone. Remove the black insulation and separate both wires. Do this precisely because if at least one wire is with the wrong color, headset won't work properly. After this you should have 5 wires, 3 for sound, left, right and ground, and the 2 remaining wires are for the microphone, ground and mic. Tin all cable cores to make soldering the connector easier. Then I advise you to check with multimeter which wire is left, right, ground and mic, because colors may be different. In my case, blue is left, green is right, green or red wire is ground for speakers, gold wire is microphone ground, and red is microphone. Then apply some super glue on the cable end to glue the fabric cover over the cable. Tin all 4 3.5mm contacts for easier soldering. All wires must be soldered in the order shown in this picture. Remove the excess length of the microphone wire and put it in the correct contact of the connector, and solder it. Then press the wire with its dedicated metal pins. Then solder the left channel of blue wire, after that the right channel of green wire, and finally solder the ground wire, where green or red and gold wires are twisted together. The result should be the following scene. Blue is left, green is right, green or red together with gold is ground, and red, microphone plus. Steal your grandfather's best nail polish and cover all contacts to avoid short circuits in the future and to make headphones last longer. Cut the heat shrink tubing and put it over the 3.5mm jack. Then put the glue in place where wire attaches to the connector and shrink the tube to secure the wire. Then apply some glue on all contacts, but not too much. Also apply glue where wire is secured with heat shrink tubing. And place the connector's housing on top by screwing it on tightly. And here's the result. Headphones are ready to use. But we accidentally damaged some paint by drilling a larger hole. Since this is a tech screw channel, we will eliminate this defect and additionally tighten the cable and connector using heat shrink tubing. Cut a slightly smaller in diameter heat shrink tubing than the plug itself. Reason behind that is to make it even tighter. Use pliers to make it bigger until you can get it over the plug. Apply a little bit of glue where wire enters the connector. Put heat shrink tubing on top, but heat it gently to avoid burning the fabric. This heat shrink tubing cover will make cable even stronger and will make the 3.5mm connector more comfortable to touch. And here's the final result. Headset looks nice and it will be much stronger than with the original 3.5mm jacks. With this adapter you will be able to feel calm while gaming, and in case of damage you can simply replace the adapter without going to the store for a new headset or repairing those small wires. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to write them down in the comment section. I will also throw in some Amazon links to 4-pole jack and heat shrink tubing set. Thanks, and don't forget to like and subscribe to support my money and time-saving DIY projects. Have a nice day and see ya!